jetzt geht's weiter mit Life is Strange, ne? Wir sind bei der dritten Episode, Chaos-Theorie, und fast fertig, fast am Ende. Und ja, muss sagen, packt schon recht. So, also ich halt mal Klappe.
Oh my God. What is happening now?
Okay.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Not until I see it first. You know the rules, Dad. Max, tell him.
Oh, krass.
Whoa, hey. You look totally pale. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just...
Krass.
yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.
Well, I might just allow this one into the family album.
You're the boss.
What is this?
But not the cook.
William is
Pancakes,
here.
Daddy.
Yes,
And
we can't
Chloe
expect
is just a
your mom to
kid.
rush home and serve us slackers.
Am I that far back in time?
You mean pancakes?
In France, they call them
I'm
crepes.
18 years
A good
old
French
inside my
chef needs
13-year-old
assistance
self.
if you want
Boah,
How?
5 Jahre zurück.
We. I volunteer to break the eggs.
Do you remember how many eggs?
Mom said it depends.
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook.
Now I get to
Photo?
take a picture. Strike a pose.
Make me a star.
Just make me look young.
Here.
I am when your mom is away.
You can see the bond between Chloe and her father. And the love. Now this is a photo.
So, das wäre das letzte Foto gewesen, ne?
I know I've seen those pictures before.
Me and Daddy. Also ja, früher sah sie viel besser aus, Chloe.
Hello? Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the Two Whales. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha.
What a mess we made. I remember those... I have to stop William from taking his car today.
Oh nee, 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 zu weit.
The real cook here.
I am when your mom is away.
Now I get to
Warte,
take a
mach
picture.
trotzdem noch ein Foto, ne? Telefon.
I could call Joyce at the Two Whales Diner and warn her. If I had the number. Boom. Disconnected. Yes, here's the Two Whales number. Now I can warn Joyce.
Oh nee, nee, fuck. Wollte ich gar nicht. Hä?
Sorry, wrong number.
Max, come on, you know better than that. Hello? Hey, honey.
Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Going on?
Do you remember
on?
how many
What
eggs?
the fuck is
Moms,
going
now
on?
I get to
Going on? Okay,
That's
jetzt habe
true.
ich das Foto
So,
gemacht.
how many eggs?
Don't
So,
you dare.
Telefon, den Dinner anrufen, schnell. Mach hin.
Hello. Hi, could I please talk to Joyce Price? Oh, she left? Damn. Are you sure? Okay, sorry. Thanks.
Hä? Fuck.
Question the chef.
Right, like you're the real cook here?
I am when your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
Fuck. Okay. Jetzt nehme ich mal den Stecker weg.
Man, I remember Chloe reading this. But not after today. Joyce loves William so much.
I have no idea why the home...
Ach so, fuck. Ja, was kann ich denn? Was kann ich denn noch machen? Kacke.
Mr. Price, in case you're thinking about using your car, I heard there's awful traffic
Hello?
and road construction,
Hey, honey.
so you shouldn't
Just
drive at
making
all.
a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. We're all going to work at the two-way. I promise, if I have to go anywhere, I'll drive like I'm taking it.
Not really.
Oh, I didn't know
I
you had
just
to get
know the roads
groceries.
are bad
Of
and
course I'll
stuff,
come pick
so-
you up. Now I'll have an
so
excuse
you-
to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Let it feel safer already. So don't look so worried, Mac. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go rescue yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please. Aha! You can't...
Okay. Dann kann ich wohl nur die Schlüssel weglegen, ne? Hä? Kann ich das nicht machen?
Right, like you're the real cook here?
I am when your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
You can see the bond between Chloe and her father, and the love. Now this is a photo.
Hello?
I know I've seen those pictures
honey.
before.
Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and
hab
Max.
ich jetzt
We're all
schon.
going to work at
That's
the
a
two-way.
cool snow dough.
What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Now I'll have an excuse to get a mocha. Be there shortly. Love you.
Obvious, but it will have to do.
Yonder queen at the Save Mart. She doth have many bags of delicious grub for us to feast
You are
upon.
ridiculous.
You'll be grateful for that
I know they never took that big vacation.
someday. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please.
Oh yeah, I miss movie nights here. Cookies and popcorn.
Game nights?
My family never took fun, goofy photos like this.
Aha!
I forgot about this. Back to the lighthouse.
You can't hide from me forever. Now lock up after I leave. Play nice. Try not to destroy too much of the house. And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Oh je, da wäre er gegangen, ne?
grateful for that.
Ja, was kann ich denn sonst noch machen?
That's true.
So, how many eggs?
Don't you dare question the chef.
Score!
Like you're the real cook here?
I am when your mom is away.
I'll let her know that.
Wo kann ich's verstecken? Nach oben komme ich nicht, wa?
Hello? Hey, honey. Just making a fabulous breakfast with Chloe and Max. I know I had those keys right here. I know it.
Oh,
Forgot
fuck.
all about you, little buddy. Release the keys. Of course.
Schon cooler Dad.
Last time I ordered from Spy Guy Electronics.
You can take the bus, right? The stop is right down the street.
This I can do. Good call, Max.
Oh yeah, the bus is great. It comes every 15 minutes and there'll be plenty of room for you and Joyce and groceries and it'll save the environment.
You sold me already. I'm off to yonder bus stop. Joyce will love this.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Oh je. Oh je. Was hat sich alles verändert? Ja, das ist auch nie passiert. Ich sage, das ist nichts Gutes. Kein Auto für Chloe. Oh nee, fuck. Nein.
Hello? Are you even listening, Maxine?
All my friends in LA told me that Oregon was
Max.
going to be wet and cold every day. But
Never
it's like
Maxine.
75 degrees and I haven't seen the rain once.
I know. Sorry, Mad
that
Max.
climate change?
You're not pissed at me, right? Right?
It's people in Oregon
Do you want to go
trying
hit the
keep
girls' potty and
California
smoke 'em
down.
peace pipe?
I think Max is high.
She's acting like so weird. You cool, Max?
Nobody listened when I said we shouldn't let her in the vortex.
Courtney, you don't want anybody in the club.
Like whatever, bitch.
What?
Warren, he hooked up with Stella?
Oh nee,
Oh, no.
krass. Nee.
This is totally fucked up. What else have I changed? Chloe.
Fuck. Der Busfahrer David. Ah, krass. Nee, ich will doch noch den Schmetterling zeichnen können. krass. Jetzt passiert was. Was ein Wal? 2 Wale? Sie konnte es wahrscheinlich nicht verhindern, ne? Ist das jetzt bei Chloe? Und ist es bei mir?
Max Caulfield. Taking a break after taking Seattle by storm, huh? We thought we'd never see you again after you left for the big city.
No. I'd never do that to Chloe.
Speaking of, I know she's been dying to see you. Hold on. Chloe! You have a visitor!
Oh, Rollstuhl? Oh, krass. Oh. Boah. Boah. Das ist echt krass. Krasser What the fuck Moment. Aber ganz geil. Wirklich geil. Wirklich krass. Also ich bin mal kurz Toilette, ne? So, da bin ich wieder. Ich weiß gar nicht, wie lang ging jetzt das? So, da bin ich wieder. Du hast das Geld liegen gelassen, 52. Du hast Chloe geküsst. Hä? Oh fuck. Frank. Nee, eben. Ich hab's doch geahnt, dass ich das eben doch nicht bekommen habe. Nee, was? Und das Foto habe ich auch nicht geschossen? Ah, okay, das habe ich auch nicht mitgekriegt. Du stehst auf der Gästeliste des Vortex Clubs. Ah ja, wegen der anderen. Hä? Hätte ich wohl. Ah, Lisa ist eingegangen. Meine schöne Pflanze. Ah, das war noch von der... Okay. Ja, dann würde ich sagen, mache ich schnell einen neuen Stream, ne?
Previously on Life is Strange.
Okay. Gut, bis gleich.